Place the vest over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Buckle it in the front and pull to tighten. Once outside, pull down the red tab to inflate the vest to manually inflate blow into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional vests if needed. We are coming by to check that your seatbelts are fastened, your seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright and lock position, and all of your carry-on items are stowed completely underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin, leaving the space around your feet clear. Smoking is not allowed on board, including the lavatories. The use and charging of electronic cigarettes and vapes is prohibited. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. It is also prohibited to consume alcohol that you have brought with you on this flight. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with the lighted passenger information signs. Posted placards make your instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking.